I'm shaking it like crazy. Let me show you something interesting. Yeah, this is 500 rupees vlogging set, around 350 or 400. If you add this one, yeah, 1000 rupees maybe. Or if you have earphones, it's 100 rupees. So 500 rupees. This, you can put your phone here to get horizontal. You can flip it like this to get vertical. Or if you're just too bored, use it as a mobile stand. Okay, I'll show you the wiser view, how you're gonna get it once you put it on. This is how it looks from the vlogging POV. This is pretty good. You can put your mobile. If you wanna watch a movie, you can just like watch it from right here. Oh, who cares about road, right? The voice might be a bit weird, but if you add your earphones, it sounds like, if my earphones are working, then it should sound something like this. The clarity will be better, but if I could afford the visor, it would have been even better. Yeah, I don't wanna take risk in this sandy road. But here, fuck. Like I was saying, if you don't have proper thing, if you go over the bump or something, I'll just show you. If you just go over the bump or something, it will just like, okay, even if there is a heavy weight, it will just come like this. That's what I meant. So if it's not properly fitting to your head, the helmet, then try to find a helmet which fits you and then do this. So if I shake it pretty much, yeah, it's still pretty sturdy. It wouldn't just like affect or fall off your bike. Just 500 bro, come on. See, I'm shaking it like crazy. Even when I shake it like crazy. If you don't want put your phone, you can just pull it off and slap this on. Even the GoPro fits when you slap it on. Yeah, you can. It's pretty sturdy. Totally recommended. Go to my description if you wanna buy one. This is no marketing.